Want to know if your BMI is in a healthy range? Hi friends, today we're building our very own BMI calculator in App Lab. Today, we're going to design our BMI calculator. Ready? Let's start. First, we're going to choose a theme. Well, I think I'll be choosing Polar today. Then we're going to choose. We're going to go to Upload File. And over here, I am going to choose this one. It takes some seconds to upload. Then we're gonna choose. There, our first screen is ready. We're gonna name it screen underscore screen start. It did work. It is our starting screen, so yeah. There. Screen start. We're done with this part. Now we're gonna get a new screen. We'll call it screen BMI. Well, basically screen underscore BMI calculator. There. Now, in this screen, we're going to add some elements. Like first, one label on the top. Inside the label, we're going to be writing something obvious in it. This is a BMI calculator, right? So we're going to be writing BMI calculator. There. We're definitely going to need to change its size because that size is not big enough. About 20. And then my favorite one over there. We're going to place it right about there. It looks perfect over there, doesn't it? It looks so good. Now let's add some real stuff in it. Like, remember the time we added a drop down? Well, this is the second time we're adding a drop down. And it's going to be fun. I always think that these things are fun. Inside the drop down, we're going to be choosing an option up, so we're going to see this one. In this, we're going to type in X in other than option 1. Like, we're going to write male over here, and over here we're going to write, okay, yeah, don't press the backspace for too long. Male, and then female. There. These are going to be our two options. Then we're going to go down and choose this one because the size is perfect accordingly. Then we're going to get one more label and put it over there. Okay? This label, we are going to be writing HEIGHT, height in meter. That is what we're going to be needing. So, yeah, height in meter over here. And then we're going to change its size. Like, size is too small. So, we're going to make it, well, 20. That is the size. No. We're going to be using 15. That's perfect. So, this one is ready. Now, we're going to put a text input in front of it. We'll definitely want to change its size for sure. I think it's a little too wide. What about 140? Yeah, that looks enough. So we're going to put it in front of that. Right about there. Inside the placeholder, we're also going to write something. Enter height. And yeah, just enter height. There. Do you know what we're going to do now? Yeah, you definitely know. We're going to choose another label and put it there. Inside this label, we're going to be writing weight in kgs. There. Weight in kgs. or just kg. After we do this one, we're also going to make it as wide as this one. This one was 125, so we're going to make this one 125 as well. This way it looks good, right? Looks good. In the font size, we're also going to make it 15. There. Now we're going to take another text input. Well, of course we're going to give its width 140 as well. Over here, we're just going to put it about there. It's a perfect spot for it. In its placeholder, we're going to be writing weight, or just weight in kg. There. Perfect. After that, we're going to put a button in it as well. Which kind of button? You're about to find out. Inside this button, we're going to write check BMI. Because this can actually bring our BMI together. Check BMI. Perfect. And the font could change. There. Just gonna adjust this a little bit, like put it on the right spot. This one could go a little lower, and this one could go a little like that. Perfect. Our first two screens are ready. Screen Start and Screen BMI Calculator. Wow, looks great, right? Last screen now. In this screen, all we'll need is an image. We're going to drag it over there, expand its size, and put it over, well, definitely expand the width a little. There. Then grab in a text area and put it below. Well, we're done with this screen because all we need is this image in this text area. Well, obviously give the screen an ID. This will be screen look. Well, this is going to show how you are actually, you get it, right? So this is going to be 1, right? Screen. So guys, who's ready to code for the BMI calculator? I know I'm ready. So let's do the first thing first. We're going to go to the variable section and choose about 4 of these. 4 of variables. Of course, we're going to give them variables as well. Like assign them a value and a name. This one, the ID of variable gender. And then we're going to give this one of variable height, and then this one variable weight. Well, yeah. And then here's one more, basically one last one called variable BMI. There. Now go to UI controls and go swipe right down, choose the set screen 1 and screen start. Then go back up and choose an on event 1. Put it over there and inside write screen start. Now we swipe down and choose another set screen 1. And this one we're going to start with screen BMI calculator. See? Now guys, we're going to go to the functions section and choose a function. Name this function basically my BMI function. See? How easy. My BMI function. Now go to control and choose an if else. That's one if else. And in that one if else, choose another if else. And in that one if else, choose another. There. Funny, but also a little easy. Go to the math section and choose this one. Put it in there, and over here write variable. Remember the variable we made variable gender? Well, this is where you call it. Variable gender is equal to, Well, whenever variable gender is equal to male, there. Whenever it's equal to male. So what do we want exactly to happen? Well, we go back to math and call this one. We're going to put it in there. Now, we're gonna, well, on this side, write variable BMI. Okay, that didn't come out to type in it. So, variable BMI. Whenever it's equal to about, well, just choose 18.5. Whenever it's equal to 18.5, to UI controls and choose a set text one and put it in there. Well, in the ID, we're gonna give it, okay, we're gonna just go to screen and look, and this one is text result. So we're gonna look for text result. There it is. Now we're gonna choose the text of what we wanna type into it. So I have got something copied. So in this text over here, I'm just gonna copy. BMI is low, time to give your body some extra healthy fuel. Now, after this, we're going to choose set image URL. There it is. And put it below it. Over here, choose image pic and then choose. From here, just choose, well, I'll choose the thin boy, the slim one. So there. That is that. Now, we're going to add on. Like, yeah, we're just going to add on about, okay, so we're going to add 2 more. So press this plus 2 times. 1 and 2. There. Ready. Yeah, guys, we're going to go to the math section and choose, where did it go? I know it's somewhere here. Yeah, there it is. We're going to put it in the else if one. The first one, actually, the else if. You get it, right? And that, we're going to put this one on the right side. And on the left side, we're going to, yeah, we're going to put this one on the other side. There. We're going to type in some values into this one, this one, this one, and that one. So just copy variable BMI like that. And now, go here, type in variable BMI, and then go over here and also variable BMI. Over here, we're going to write, what was it, 18.5, right? On one side, 18.5, on the other, 24.9. See? How easy. So now, we're definitely going to give this one text and image URL as well. So you know that means we're going to go to UI controls and choose set text. There. Put it there, and over here choose, it was text result, right? Text result, so we're going to scroll down and choose text result. In the text section, we're just going to copy. Yeah, your BMI is in the healthy range. Keep moving and smiling. See? Now we're going to choose set image URL. Now what is the set image URL going to be? Well, yeah, we're just going to choose that. That's going to be a normal boy. There. We're going to choose him, and done. See, next one, we're going to go back to math and put this one there, take this one and put it there, and then take this one and put it there. Over here, just copy in variable BMI. There. And variable BMI. Now in these, we're going to write, in this one, 25, and in this one, we're going to choose about 29.9. There. For this one now, we're going to go back to UI controls, choose set text, and set image URL. Okay. Just give them the IDs they need. This one must be text result, right? Yeah. So in the text section, we're going to be copying, oops, your BMI is a little high. Time to make friends with fruits and walks. And then in the image, well, we're also going to choose that one. We're going to choose the little fat boy. Not too fat, of course, not too fat. Okay, guys, as there's only one else left, so just, copy me. By that, I mean choose the set text, give it the ID of text result, and in the text, write down, whoa, your BMI is quite high. Let's team up with healthy food and more movement. There. Now, it's going to be the set image URL. I'm going to put it right there, and image pic. We're going to choose that, and choose the boy that's too fat. There. So the boy one is done. Now time for the girls one. So just press the plus 2 times again. And I guess it's almost copied, but not 100%. So guys, I guess it's gonna be like copy this one and this one. Instead of boy stuff, do girls. So then go to maths, choose this one, put it there. Just copy variable BMI. Oops. Just copy it and then paste it. Copy paste it. Then over here write in about 18 point. Now it's gonna be a 0.5. 18.5. So then if that's happening, so we're gonna choose set text and set image URL. ID of this is gonna be, well, the same as a previous one, but the text is also gonna be the same. So yeah. There. That one. And now choose the image. We're gonna choose the slim girl. We're gonna choose her. And there. Now we're just gonna go back to math. Like, yeah, math is pretty important in here. So just to go along with the flow, just do that. And for that one, choose this one and put it over here. For the other one, choose that one and put that over there. And then choose that one, put it over there, and that one, put it over there. There. Now give it the values. Well, yeah, we're going to copy variable BMI once more and just, well, paste it. This is going satisfying, right? Now we're going to give it the values. This one is 18.5 and this one is 24.9, and then this one is just 25, 25, and this one is about 29.9. Time for the images and stuff, so go back to UI controls and set text into 1, set text into 2, and also that set text into 3. Now let's just give them all text first. So I hope you got it by now, right? It's a little complicated, but the rest easy. So now copy this one, and once you copied it, paste it down into this one, and then copy this one, and paste it down into this one. Then time for the last one. Yeah, last one, but not all the last. Okay, and done. Now let's set the images. Let's choose set image URL for that, set image URL for that, and set image URL for that as well. Yeah, don't forget to give them all IDs so that they know where to go. Image pick for all of them. Time to choose the image for basically some of them. One was done. For this one, the normal girl we're going to choose. For this one, we're going to choose the fat girl. And for this one, we're going to choose the obese girl. That means extra fat. Now let's run the code once. We click it. Well, I am a girl, so that one. Enter height, weight in kgs, about, yeah, this one, and check BMI. We did code for that button, right? Oh, wait a minute. So guys, now we're going to go to this one and put it at the bottom. Then, inside this, we're going to choose the button BMI. Okay, we've got this far. We can do the rest as well. Now, we're going to go to variables and choose about 4 of these. 2, 3, and then 4. There. Well, yeah, we're gonna go up, copy variable gender, scroll down, and just copy it. Then for this one, we're gonna go up, get variable height, scroll down, and then paste. Now for this one, we're gonna go up, variable weight, go down, and just paste. For this one, we're also going to go up, choose variable BMI, and go down and just paste it. Hasn't been declared yet. Yeah. Okay, now let's go back to UI controls and look for a one get text, and then 2 get numbers. There. We're gonna choose in this one. We're gonna choose the drop down gender. Well, drop down gender. Text height, and for this one, text weight. Now, for this variable BMI one, right? For this one, we're gonna go in the math section and choose. Well, let's see which one to choose. This one. We're going to use this one and put it over there. And then we're going to use this one and put it over there. Now, time for copying. Well, let's see which. So over here, we're going to copy in variable gender. Oh, yeah, gender. We're going to copy this first. Variable gender. For this one, it's going to be height. And for this one, it's going to be weight. There. Now, just a little more left, go back to variables and choose go to the console log and choose, just copy this one and variable BMI. Now we're going to go to functions, and we're going to choose this one, put it right there. Then under that, go and copy this. Then come back down and just paste it, my BMI function. Now back to UI controls and set screen look. Now let's try to run our code once. Okay, this one, enter height, enter weight. This one, check BMI. Okay. Let's try it once more. We're gonna run and mail. Let's let it stay. This one, and check. There. This is ready, right? It's so wow. We can know our BMI with this. It's a simple app that it's simple, but it's big from the inside. Pretty useful. Let's try this one and check. Whoa. Okay, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.